Hello today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this TIBISI thermal cycling gloves, and they comes from the Ala Plus store. This is awesome because it's winter time out there, and if it is cold outside and you are a biker or you like to run a little bit, or go walking or hiking or whatever, you like to have cold fingers, and there's a solution. In the fall or the spring area, it is around about 10 degrees Celsius or 5 degrees Celsius or maybe nearly 0, then these gloves here are the right choice which you can make, because these are winter gloves for man and woman. They are windproof and they have a touch screen design. That means your index finger and your thumb are possible to use smartphone, tablets, watches, touch screens as you like. And we have anti-slip shock absorbing pad. These are outdoor bicycle and running gloves. There are in the size of S, M, L and XL to choose what you like. And the thick and hydrophobic fabric makes these cycling gloves windproof and less rain entry. This keeps our hand dry in light rain and snow. That you have to know that it is not suitable for use in heavy rain. So it is, as I talk to you, it is a fall or a spring gloves for you, not in hard rain or not in the darkest winter time, minus 20 degrees Celsius, for example. They are suitable for a variety of outdoor sports, such as cycling, running, walking, hiking, or fitness, as well as daily warmth. No problem. You can wear it where you like. If you like to have gloves while you're driving, this is the right thing for you. The soft and the thick inner lining, made of fleece, makes these cycling gloves so skin-friendly. The outer fabric of the professional cycling gloves is made of thick and multi-layer softshell fabric to keep our hands warm and comfortable at winter time. We have a sensitive touchscreen gloves here. The index finger and the thumb have a special touchscreen material that has been upgraded to make this touchscreen more responsive than the previous gloves model. We does not need to remove the gloves in the winter outdoors when we are going to use our phone and watch. And the 3mm shock absorbing SBR pads in different areas on the palm can reduce the vibrations of the riding. This prevents the formation of blisters and increase the comfort for us. The mesh-like anti-slip silicone spreads all over the palm of the cycling gloves for more stable grips on the handlebars, as well as stable grip on the phones and other items too. So you can see it makes a good job for you. We have a protective strip at the night or for the night time. We have a wear-resistant and thickened material. We have a toe on the thumb and sweat-absorbing areas. We have on the inner side a sensitive touchscreen function on index finger. As you can see, it works really good. And on a thumb, we have a non-slip silicone at the end of full palm silicone material to reduce shocks, and a 3D shock pad over our palm, and of course adjustable Velcro. The 3D shock pads are more comfortable for the grip of the handlebar, and we have thickened areas of frequent friction are thickened, and sensitive touch screen. The tip of the index finger and the thumb can touch the screen and we can use it. And of course, these are professional cycling gloves designed for outdoor sports and for cold weather. If you like to choose size S, around the palm is 18 up to 19.5 centimeters or 7.1 to 7.7 inches. If you like to choose M, 20 to 21.5 centimeters or 7.9 up to 8.5 centimeters around the palm. And L, 22 up to 23.5 or 8.7 to 9.3 inches. And XL, like shown here, because I have the XL version, 24 up to 25.5 centimeters or 9.5 up to 10 inches. So you can see you can choose what you need and then it will matches to your hands. We have disinfied fabric, soft and fine fleece lining makes the gloves extremely warm and windproof. The cycling gloves are specially designed for cold weather outdoor activities such as cycling, running, hiking, snow shoveling too, because you will have a workout, so you does not need a really big gloves. No, this is the right choice for you. Or motorbiking and more. We have an awesome material. It feels really good on your hands and it makes a good job. And it looks cool. I have these gloves in a shorter version too, and I like to wear them every day while I'm cycling. And at the winter time, I'm going to use now these cycling gloves here to have the same comfort or a better comfort than the summer version of it. These are the TIBISI thermal cycling gloves, and they come from the Ella Plus store to me. That are gloves for winter time, for man and woman, and so on. They're windproof and they are a touch screen design. The anti-slip shock absorbing pad. These are a nice gloves for outdoor activities like bicycling, running, and so on. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.